Suppose you are diseased, suffering from some disease, you are lying on the bed, and you are eating in that stage, you are passing your nature's call in that way, and taking bitter medicines, and always you have to keep by the nurses clean, otherwise there is some obnoxious smell. In such a condition you are lying, and some friends come to you and ask you, my dear such and such, how are you today feeling? Yes, I am today feeling well. What is this well? He is lying on the bed, he is passing his nature's course in that way, he is eating bitter medicine, and he cannot move, all these inconveniences, and he says that I am well. Similarly, in our material conception of life, if we think I am happy, that is foolishness. That is foolishness. There is no happiness in material life. It is impossible to get happiness. Then we do not know meaning of happiness. Therefore this very word is used, manish, We want to become by some extraneous, artificial means. And how long it will stand? It will not stand. It will again come back. Suppose by intoxication you feel happy. Oh, that is not your actual happiness. Suppose by chloroform I am unconscious, I don't feel the pains of operation. Oh, that does not mean that I am out of these pains and pleasures. This is artificial. Oh. So real pleasure, real life is here, as recommended in Bhagavad Gita by Sri Krishna. Just see.